So electric slide starts out grapevine to the right. We're going to step to the right, cross the left foot behind, step to the right, and touch. We're in grapevine left, left, cross behind, left, and touch. 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3, and touch. We're going to step forward on the left, touch the right in place, step back on the right, touch the left in place, turn and touch the right next to the left, and it starts over grapevine to the right. All right, let's go ahead and dance it. It's electric. 5, 6, 7, grapevine right, behind right, touch and left, step behind, left, back up, back 1, 2, 3, touch, step forward, touch, back, touch, turn, grapevine to the right, behind right, touch and left, behind, left, back it up, back 1, 2, 3, touch, step forward, touch, back, touch, turn, grapevine to the right, behind the right, touch and left, behind, left, back it up, back 1, 2, 3, touch, step forward, touch, back, touch, turn, grapevine to the right, grapevine left, back it up, back 1, 2, 3, touch, forward, touch, back, touch, turn, and grapevine to the right, grapevine left, back it up, step forward, touch, back, touch, turn, grapevine to the right, grapevine left, and back it up. This dance is called Electric Slide. It's been around for many years. If you go to a wedding reception or a party, they will probably be dancing it there, so it's a good idea to know how to do this dance. So we'll start. We're going to start with a very basic step called a grapevine, and we're going to do it to the right. And this is a good step to learn because it's done in a lot of different line dances. So we're going to step right, cross behind, and step right. That's called a grapevine. Last count of that 4 counts is going to be a touch. We're going to do the same thing to the left. We're going to grapevine left, side, cross behind, side, and we're going to add a touch, touch. That's our first 8 counts. Let's do it by the count. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3. Touch on 4 and 5, 6, 7. Touch on 8. Next 4 counts, we're going to back up starting with the right foot. We're going to step back 1, step back 2, step back 3, and we're going to touch the left toe in place in front of the right on count 4. So the last 6 counts are actually very easy. We're going to step forward on the left, touch the right toe in place, step back on the right, touch the left toe in place. We're going to turn a quarter turn to the left, touching the right toe, and we're going to start over with a grapevine to the right. It is important to start this with a grapevine to the right. If you're out at a party, people may start it wherever. They may have just learned it from following somebody else. But anyway, start to the grapevine to the right. Sometimes you'll see people doing rolling vines. If you're going to roll, you want to make sure that you roll in the direction that you're turning. So you're moving. So if you're grapevine to the right, I want to look over my right shoulder and roll to my right. 1, 2, 3, touch. And if I'm going to roll to my left, I look over my left shoulder. I'm going to roll to my left. 1, 2, 3, touch. If you go the other way, it's kind of a blind roll. So if you have someone dancing over here and you're not paying attention, you start to turn, you have no idea who's over there. You turn some more, you still have no idea. You'll turn a little more and bang, you ran into them. So you should try and do your rolling vine. Looking, if you're moving to your right, roll to your right. You can look where you're going the whole time, almost the whole time. Last count and a half, your turn so you can't see. Same thing to the left. I'm turning to the left, rolling to the left, looking over my left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and touch. Some people turn on the back up. Same thing. You're stepping back with your right foot. Look over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, touch. And there's a lot of other modifications you can add in per your choice.